Hi, this is Colin in Lincoln with Blue Marble Consulting. Today we're going to walk you through one of our custom-developed Fiori apps, Employee Hire. This app is used to view vacant positions in an organization and quickly and easily fill out new hire information. So with that, I'll pass it over to our developer Lincoln, who created the application, to walk you through some of the specifics.
Thank you, Colin. So here is a custom developed Fiori app which can be easily deployed on your Fiori landscape. This is an employee hire application. HR administrators can use this application to hire new employees in their organization. This is a master detail application, and on the left hand side is the master view where you can see a list of all the departments with vacant positions in them. So these are not all the departments in your organization, only the departments which have vacancies in them. So I can see that there are 10 departments with vacancies, and here is a list of all the departments. If you notice a particular department or a particular list, it shows you the department title, the name of the department. It gives you the code of the department. It also tells you the number of open positions in that department and gives you a total number of positions existing in that department. On the detailed view, it gives you the details of the department, like the controlling area, cost center, business area, company code, etc., and tells you that there are 6 vacant positions and there are 32 total positions in this department. So if you want to hire a particular employee in a particular department, you would first click on a particular department, and that will list all the vacant positions in that department. So if you notice a particular position in the detail view, you will see that it shows you the position title, the position text, the key of the position, and it tells you the status, whether the position is a new position or in process or delimited position, etc. So if you want to hire a particular employee in a particular position, you would first click that position. As soon as you click it, you see the details are listed on the detail view. So here I'm trying to hire an employee into the payroll as a payroll administrator. It tells me the code of the position, it tells me the status of the position, and a short text of the position. Now the screen is broken up into 5 parts: the personal information, address, salary details, benefits, and a final report. So to first fill up the form, I would fill this up. So let me say if I want to hire Colin into this department, I would say Colin and do some social. And I can fill up an address for all the implicit SAP validations kick in here because this application runs from SAP backend. If you want to copy the address over to the mailing address, you could just click the copy to mailing address button. Next we'll move on to the salary tab, where I can give details for this salary details for this employee. Now here are the likely grades that are possible for this position. If you would like to use one of those, you can just click over and copy that information down below, or if you want, you could even change a couple of values. This is based on your organization's policies and rules. So because this is a custom built application, so we can build up these rules into the application. Next we'll move on to the benefits tab, where you see a list of possible benefits for this position. If the employee is eligible or has made these selections, you can add them to the employee. And if the employee is eligible for this plan, vision coverage, you can add vision, you can add dental, you can add medical. And once you're done with your work, you get a final report of what you had filled up. So you see that I'm trying to hire Colin Smith into a payroll administrator position. Here is the dates for this hire. Here is the employee's home address, the mailing address, salary details, retirement, savings plans, and all the medical coverages that I have added. Of course, I have not selected dental and medical, so if I notice that I made a mistake, I could go back and I can add those also in. And once I've added it, it gets dynamically updated, so I know that okay, now I have filled up the details. So the dental coverage is on, vision is on, medical insurance is on. So once I'm satisfied with my work, for example, I could save this form as a draft if I want to continue with it at a later stage, or if I am satisfied, I can send this form for approval. So as soon as I click it, the form will be sent to approval to the manager. And there is a standard Fiori application called as a work list. So the manager of this position would receive a work item for approval in their work list, which they can approve, and based on the way the workflow is set up, it could be routed to further approvals, or it can update the system directly, and thus hiring the employee into the organization. So this way you could use this application to quickly hire employees into your organization, and because this is a Fiori based application, so it will render well even on your smartphone or your tablet. So you could do your employee hires on your tablet based using this custom Fiori application. So this is a quick demo of this application, and now I'll hand over this control to Colin. So Colin, take over. Thank you.
Great. Well, thank you, Lincoln, for walking us through your application. And as you can see, custom developed apps greatly improve the end user experience, and they can even expedite your current processes, in this case for employee hires. For any of your custom Fiori app needs, please contact Blue Marble with our number listed here. And for more details on the benefits of using Fiori, please visit our website at sap-bmc.com/Fiori.